So, you know, we're not supposed to drink alcohol in the show, but I do it every morning. So this morning, St. Aubin Kid, they call him Captain Kid, is mixing the liquor and cooling things down with a mocktail, which I have an issue with because I don't know what is a mocktail. I am told that it's a drink that don't have any alcohol, which don't make sense because when you know me, it's a rum is
not.
Greetings.
Hi, Captain Kid.
You all right?
I'm all right.
So a mocktail don't have no alcohol in it?
Definitely don't have any alcohol whatsoever in there.
But it's a mixed drink.
But it is in relation to what we call a cocktail.
Yeah.
It's a play on words, pretty much a pun. Mocktail is like your country sister that comes in and won't ever, well, she'll remain a virgin until she's 21 in some countries, and in Jamaica, 18. So naturally, it's really a recreation of what is known as popular cocktails to minus the alcohol that becomes what we call a mocktail.
All right. So
it's under the category of non-alcoholic cocktails.
Non-alcoholic cocktails.
I know me not pass the virgin talk there.
It's like a virgin drink.
You won't indulge in alcohol at all.
Pure.
Yes, indeed. We have virgin pina coladas, virgin.
Until you reach 21.
Yes.
So that's my way of telling you all the new names.
All
that
right,
we have
so
for
a mocktail can be
mocktails.
made with anything then, basically.
Pretty much.
That don't have no alcohol in it.
Well, a cocktail in particular includes 3 different ingredients, and there is a particular build-up. You have a strengthener, flavoring agent, and so on. So it's the same principle that applies in
So
the
3 ingredients.
Well, 4. Garnishing is a next major part of your.
But garnish is really done.
Yeah.
So it's really 3 plus the garnish.
Plus the garnishing. Garnishing is a very important
And I'm supposed
ingredient
to make
as well.
one?
Yes, indeed. I remember you want to present it properly because this is a competition.
So you're not going to just drink it. What do you mean by present it properly? What's that about?
What's that about? Without proper presentation, which is what I'm very good at, both in creating the cocktails and the final presentation, is because if you don't decorate the drink, you devalue what is called your mix,
what I'm mixing it in.
You're mixing it in one of these glasses. You have a choice to pick your glass based on what you like.
So Empress, take up your glass before I even.
You can have a next one, probably a better looking one.
I'm going to get this one.
So we have a wide variety of ingredients before us. We have iCool, we have tambourine, we have sorrel, ginger extract, quite a number of things. We even have pina colada. So I'm going to make one of those cocktails quickly, just to illustrate. And I'm going to do mine to the front. I'll just add a little pina colada first. That will create my base.
What is pina colada?
Pina colada is really the combination of pineapple and cream of coconut.
Okay. Watch him copy everything you do. You have some originality now?
And then I add some blue coloring.
Watch him go put the same something in. Oh.
And this will become blue. I see never got getting on right there. How about you? Would you like to join in the fun?
No. Let me do it myself, Captain.
All right.
I don't want anybody to say because this is a competition between the two of us.
Yes, indeed.
I don't want anybody to say you helped me.
All right. So I'll add some ginger extract here.
Ginger. Ooh, a little ginger. All right. So 3 ingredients, right?
When we do this?
You can just put it down.
Are you saying we have to
Get rid of it.
do we have to use the pina colada?
You can use any of the ingredients before you.
Okay.
So to complete my drink, what I'll add is some lychee juice. In bartending, when it drops, you just let it fall. You don't have to pick it up back.
Thanks.
And then I give it a little mix there. And of course, the most important part is garnishing as well.
What do I do?
And remember, this is a competition, so you definitely want to garnish in a fancy way. This is just my example, something quick and easy.
Okay, do you have any mint?
No, we didn't get any mint. Last minute. So I say we have something red over here with some sorrel and some pina colada. Whoa, I know Empress that I go for the tambourine. Definitely African and Jamaican.
Shadow!
You know what I mean?
Captain Kid.
Yes, sir.
My drinks have purpose and culture.
Indeed.
Yeah, we're not sell out.
And that is an interesting part of mixing. When you're mixing, you're definitely trying to tell a story.
All right, you understand me?
Indeed.
We should have just shut up.
What is your drink?
Don't worry about it.
So why are you in my business whenever anybody complimenting me, always I come criticize?
When I'm teaching my students, I also said that you have to finish a drink a lip length away from the glass.
I don't done.
And I was just about to say your lip look pretty big there. Just a lip length away from the top of the glass.
I don't done. I want you to leave me drink.
So we have some yellow food coloring over here.
You see?
So-
An Empress.
That good?
Drink. Definitely. You tell me, I'll taste it and tell you if it tastes good.
You don't need
The
to.
funny thing about melon, you don't need to cut it. You can just push it
I
on
know,
the glass.
I changed my mind. I have
Okay,
a
you're doing a dice.
Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Whoa. So you have some great mixologists here.
Oh, I'm a boss at this.
Oh, wow.
I love doing this.
I thought it was because of my few appearances on TVJ.
Yes, that's why.
You were watching at home and learning.
Oh, you know. Okay, I'll come in, Peter. I'm keeping mine very, very much how it should be.
Never you care to do anything else to your drink?
Alright, where's the straw? Lovely, Neville. Here is mine. Where do I
The thing
put
not
mine?
mixing out though. The pina
We have
colada.
a spoon for that.
Okay. There's
We
mine.
go up, down.
Taste it. Lord of mercy! Taste my drink. This is what you call a summer
Alright, so
mocktail.
this is now for the taste test. Taste a little bit of ginger, some sorrel. The pina colada definitely stands out. Alright. Interesting use of tambourine. Taste some lime there. Excellent. But when you want to make a cocktail, the thing is that it must be balanced. And I must say that Empress drink is a bit more balanced than Neville's. So I'll definitely give Empress the win. Never don't look too happy about that.
Can I just say to Jamaica and to Captain Kidd,
Yes, indeed.
Neville, it's been great, but you could have never won. This drink takes you back to Africa. The red is representative of our people's struggle.
True.
It is a summertime, so I had to put a little bit of tamarind using our natural resources because I say we must eat what we grow. So tamarind in
sister,
Jamaica, and you see the lime grow in your backyard, Captain.
Oh my, oh my,
and it brings
oh my.
that refreshing flavor.
It brings out
With
so much
climate
spirit.
change issues, we must prepare for our people to be cool because we are so close to the sun. Earth is too close and it's too hot.
This is a new vibes of mixology.
And then I decided to put the chunks
Preaching
of
in the bar.
watermelon because some people are hungry in the streets.
True.
And when you give them a drink, you need to have some substance in it. It tastes good though, no?
Yeah, man, it tastes
You know,
real
I'm going
good.
to taste for him just to make him feel good.
And next time, I want you to practice a little this, little of that.
Never don't be sad because you lost.
And we make us celebrate together while we
He's
celebrate your
upset.
championship.
He's upset. Give him second place prize now. Give him second place now. Let me taste your drink, Neville. Want me to taste it for you?
Don't.
Never, we're still from George's. We're still friends.
Say lie.
Lord, Neville, what is that?
I don't think it was that bad though.
Is I hear that, man? Mixologist sent on me. Go and flick up some stuff before you run, man.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
Go to the break, yeah.
Let me try that, man.
Yeah, man. Shut
Let me
down
try.
and nick in the head.
What if it drops?
Hey,
What?
This is a very safe bottle. You can practice. Anybody can practice. Ta-da! There you go.
Hi. Want a drink?
I think we need to switch jobs now.
So come, folks.
Afraid to drop it.